We have a new listing, guys. This is 5,700 square meters at 1,000 pesos per square meter net, limpyo, meaning all expenses to transfer from seller to the buyer is on the account of the buyer side. So ang bot pasabot na ni, guys, kini nga yuta baligya along highway, ideal for commercial, for a package price of 1,000 pesos per square meter net, limpyo, dawaton sa owner, then mao na gyud na ang ilahang presyo. Kung imong ibalhin sa buyer sa ilang pangan, si buyer na ang mo bayad sa transfer. Ana na siya, guys. So it is an elevated, then there is also a sloping portion at the back of the property. So nindot ni, guys, imo lang ning imo lang ning ipatag o i-level nimo sa karsada, depende sa pag-design nato, no. Kay sa likod ani ni sloping ni, guys. So kini nga portion elevated ni siya. So okay ra sad kaayo kung dili na mo hilabtan ang yuta, level lang yapon. This is ideal for pwede siya sa gas station, no, development, gasoline station, mga negosyo ingon na, because of the wide frontage, dako siya og buka. So again, the size is 5,700 square meters. Then it has several coconut trees na gamay nga lubi, guys. And mango tree. One mango tree. So ana na siya. Bagakay is just around more or less na sa mga 15 minutes drive from town proper of Talibon. Shopping mall, public markets, seaport, hotel, restaurant, and many more. No? This is northern part of Bohol province, which is around 2 to 3 hours drive from Tagbilaran City. Transportation na to, guys, na ate mga van hire, public utility bus, para na series bus liner, mga tricycle, so a lot more, no. Taghantag mga kuan dire. So the good thing lang yun kay along highway gid siya, then you can create business establishment, pang negosyo gid siya, guys. So manay estado aning yuta, no, atong gi-drone video daghan na kay mga nag business na pod dili sa una gamay. In front gani ani na anay nagnegosyo og kaang, samning kaang, kanang kuan, basta kaang. So ana siya, guys, no. Going to Hitapi, Bohol is just around more or less nasa mga 20 minutes drive. Pabor man ni siya sa Hitapi, guys. Then if you are going to travel Cebu from Bagakay or this place, no, kuan na, guys, for example 20 minutes drive, no, then sakay na po ka daghan man diyang na may ocean jet, na apoy mga other kanang bangka going to Cebu City or Lapu-Lapu City, daghan diya, guys. So accessible ni siya. Ayun na siya nga location, accessible and ideal for commercial. So manay frontage, no, kanang balay man ilabot, that is the boundary. So see, kana going to Talibon, going to Talibon na, guys, no. So na siya, guys. You know, Talibon is a progressive town. It's a first-class municipality. Daghan ng mga negosyo. Then soon to become a city. Then net price, meaning all expenses to transfer from seller to buyer, is on the buyer side. So malaybot pasabot guys. So barato ra na nga price guys, kay 1,000 pesos only. So barato ra gyud kayo. See? 1,000 pesos per square meter, mga 5.7 million sa guys, pero at least highway masad, no. So that is the situation. So daghan gyud mga establishment na niya. For inquiries, just contact me and please subscribe our YouTube channel. We will process transfer of title. Then if you have properties for sale, just let me know. We will help you sell your property. Tabangan na itong baligya. Basin day, ako'y makaswerte o buyer. Okay? So, mana siya guys. National Highway gini. Going to Tagbilaran City. Okay. Thank you. Thank you very much and God bless to all. Happy viewing. And please don't forget to subscribe our YouTube channel. Bye.